Hey guys, it's Iman with Euro Autosport. Today we're working on a 2005 Lamborghini Gallardo. Came in having some problems with the driver door handle, so we got our master tech Oscar is gonna pull it apart and put it back together. Took a couple of pictures to make sure, once we destroy it, this is what it looked like before we got our hands on it. So hopefully you enjoy the video and subscribe, like, comment. If you got any questions, let us know. Pretty simple and straightforward. We obviously start off by putting on some diagnostic scan tools to make sure that there are any issues with the vehicle that the customer should be aware of. That we definitely let them know that which arm and which leg we got to take in order to pay for the whole job. But in this case, it was pretty straightforward. Just had to worry about the driver door handle. So Oscar's going to start taking it apart and seeing what we got going on behind the scenes. Shop manager Vince also did find a short to ground in the passenger taillight. Thankfully, he was able to rectify the issue before the driver's side door was complete.